Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Amanina.
And I'm Hamiza.
We will explain about the software that we choose, that GPG4USB. This software GPG4USB is a free software, so you can download at this website www.gpg4usb.org. Then you can use this software many times. Okay, this is the example that I have downloaded. This is the files included in the download file. Okay, first when you want to use the software, you have to start this application. Just have run, then it will open this Windows. Then first of all, you have to create keys for you to use this software. Then you have to click this tab key, then generate key. To generate key, you have to fill this form. First, you have to insert name. Email address is optional. You can insert or not, or just leave it blank. Then you have to choose whether you want to add expiration date, or you just click this check box to for never expire. Then you have to insert password, as it will be used for encryption and decryption files. Okay, after that, when you click OK, the key will be created. Send this public key to another user. Alright.
Okay, so Amanina has sent the public key, so we have to download it. Okay, so it's downloaded. So you just go to GPG4USB and then manage keys, import key from. So from the file we have downloaded, it started with C. Okay, so this is the key. So we already have the keys here, so that means now we can encrypt messages for Nina Chan. So create new. So this is the message. For encrypting, we have to click on the public key Nina Chan, click encrypt. So this is the encrypted message without any sign. So let's say I want to sign it, so I just put my private key here and then sign. So put my password. This is for access control, so not anyone can sign by my name. Okay, so I already sign it, and then let's encrypt the message. So this is the message. You can just copy this and email it to Nina so that she can read it. Okay, so the sign that I signed just now is for non-repudiation. It means when this message Nina receives this message, so she knows that I signed this message and it comes from me.
Okay, this is the message that I received from Hamiza that has been encrypted. So what we're gonna do, we have to copy this message and paste here. Okay, you have to remove. You have to make sure that you remove this space so that there will be no errors. Then this message is for my generated from my public key, so I just have to decrypt it. And then I insert my password. This is one of the authentication. Okay, yeah, here you go. This is a message that Hamiza sent to me. Then the confidentiality is based on what the encrypted message. So when Hamiza sent to me, the others cannot access to the message, as this message is made from my public key. Okay, that's all from for GPG4USB. This software, we can use it everywhere, as we just save it in the USB. And the private key is still in this software inside the USB. That's all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zaki Afan bin Muhammad Zulkifli. Today I will be showing you about iCloud. To use iCloud, we need to log in with our Apple ID and password. This is the iCloud. So after you have been logged in to your iCloud, there will be prompts, so we can show the iCloud drive in our computer, photo that we can download and upload to the computer, and the email, contacts, and calendar and tasks with the function of Outlook, and it also can save bookmark that have in Chrome, or we can select from Internet Explorer or Firefox if they have been installed. So right now I will take iCloud Drive, photos. Okay, so we will take the iCloud photo library, so we will know that the photo will be uploaded in the iCloud. Okay, and it also will show where the photo can be downloaded and uploaded. So you can change. And so we will click apply. So now I will be showing how to use the iCloud photo. Basically, when we select iCloud photo, there is download and upload, where you click upload to upload all the pictures or video that you want to backup. And after you have uploaded, you can also download the picture that you have been uploaded. So basically, when you using iCloud in the Windows, you cannot access everything. So if you want to access all the stuff that have been saved from all the Apple device, you can use iCloud.com with the web browser. So if you're using it, you can access all the files that have been saved from all the Apple device or Windows device. So you can access your email, contacts, calendar, photo, iCloud Drive, notes, your reminder, page number, keynote. You also can use the Find My Friends and Find My iPhone features that have been included. So basically, there is five security services that have in iCloud. The first is access control. Basically, a user that have Apple ID or that have Apple device can use iCloud. So for authentication, before user can use the iCloud, they have to log in with their Apple ID and password to use it. For the data integrity, only user can access it. Means user that does not have Apple ID cannot use iCloud. So for data confidentiality, basically Apple have been stated that they will encrypt all the file between the transit and on the server, but they also have specified that email will not be encrypted in their server. So for performance issue and to make sure that user can track their email that have been backup more faster. For non-repudiation, we cannot find more specific info. Alright, thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Zahra binti Mustaqim. Today I will explain about Intercrypto. We are using advanced encryption package. First, you need to create a file, TXT file on the local disk D. Then you need to open the advanced encryption package and click on the encrypto.txt file. After that, you need to key in the password to encrypt the file. So that just press the encrypt now. Then you can see that the encryption txt.aep file have created, and in the local disk D, just double click, and to open it you need to key in the password. then you can read the TXT file. And after that, if you can see on the local disk, there's no, you need to decrypt the file first before you can also decrypt the files using this. Click on the TXT file and press decrypt now. And in the local disk, there's encrypto.txt file. After that, you can also zip the file using the advanced encryption package. When you just click on the zip and zip all. You can also rename or just click OK. And on the local disk D, there are zip file created. And if you want to read the file, you just need to enter the password. Okay. And if you want to, you can also using SFX. FXX, when you are click on this FXX file, you just need to enter the password. Then you can choose where you want this file created. So I put it on the desktop. Open. And when you can see there's encrypto.txt file on the desktop, and you can also read it by using the same password. And the last one is you can delete. Just press the delete button and quick delete. Okay, and that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Atira Shazri, and I will cover on the topic of security principles and also security services of advanced encryption package. So in security services, I will cover on the data confidentiality and also data integrity. For the advanced encryption package, mostly in this software, we need to provide our password in case we want to encrypt or decrypt, and also use a function like PGP. And then when we want to decrypt or encrypt or something and do the function, we need to provide the password. Okay, for security purpose, for every function in encryption or decryption, we need to provide the password. So in this case, group. Okay, then we proceed. So here is the decryption. So, and for that's all for the security services. Okay, for the security principles, we focus on the confidentiality, integrity, and also availability. For the confidentiality is the prevention of an unauthorized disclosure of information which the software provided, and also the integrity, which is the prevention of unauthorized modification of information, which for the security purpose, the software provide password for the encryption and decryption method. And also, last but not least, is the availability, which is the prevention of unauthorized withholding of information or resources, which every time we want to decrypt or encrypt, we need to provide the password that we set in the earlier step. So that's all for the security principles and also the security services for the advanced encryption package. Thank you.